Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me Apeksha, and thank you for taking time to tuning into this video. But today we are in my room. We are in India. I came back home like a week ago, and the best experience. I forgot to shoot the intro because whenever I was in IC or in flight, I was like, let's shoot now, and then I totally forgot it, obviously. Now, when I was editing, I found out that I don't have an intro, so here you go. So we are in India. So, all this journey, as I finished my exams, I came to India the very next day and I booked this like 1.5 month ago. So here's the clip while I was booking. I was terrified while booking it. So here you go. Now today I'm booking my flights to India. Finally, I'm going home after 1 year. Technically not 1 year. It's 11 months. But yeah, I'm going home. I'm booking tickets. I booked it. I'm gonna go home. Flight details. I'm going to be traveling on 13th of September, exactly like 1.5 month later. So yeah, we're gonna go. We're gonna go. Now directly to the day before we take a flight. So now the clips you're gonna see is like me packing and everything. So I hope you like it. So just go and watch how I struggled to pack, how I traveled, how my flight experience was, and how was everything. And the most important, how was my parents' reaction? Cause my parents knew that I was gonna come, but they didn't knew the date I was gonna come. So it was a surprise for them, and it was a very good surprise. I must say that I have never seen my dad cry, and it was the time when I saw him, and I was like so touched. But yeah, let's not spoil it more. Just go and watch it. Enjoy. Bye bye. Hey, so we are currently in middle of packing. Sheldon. Yeah, so we are right now in the middle of packing, and I'm not so sure. I have more gifts to carry than the things I own. So I don't know. I'm not gonna carry more clothes as well. So I'll show you a little bit. This bag is all about the clothes and gifts, and this is with the gifts, with the food, and with my clothes. These both are the main 23 kgs bag I'm gonna carry. I'm gonna carry this buffer, and I still have to pack some cosmetics. I still have to do a lot of work. It's not easy packing, guys. I still haven't had. I'm so confused. What to do. But I think I'm gonna finish. It's just like I think I'm done, and there's soon gonna be the time when maybe tomorrow when I'm in the flight, then I'll remember shit. I was supposed to take this and I did not. So I don't want that to happen now. That's why I'm trying to. I don't know. It's not easy packing. We are good to go. We are all packed. The room is a mess, obviously, but I have my suitcases packed and we are ready to go. It's currently 11:30 and I'll leave in like 40 minutes, so I don't have to rush. I'm gonna take EC and then to the airport, and then I have like buffer of 3.5 hours at the airport. Then we. So we are going right now. So we are here at airport and I'm dragging all my luggages with me to find the terminal. So let's go. So I have done the self-check-in. I got the tags and the ticket. So we're gonna check in. Now we just attach this tag to the bags, and but they said that the drop-in counter has changed. So I had to carry these tickets and my bags to my new drop-in counter. So sorry, am I disturbing the vlog? Sorry. So I just checked the luggage and they are perfectly 23 point. One is 23 and one is 23.5. So good to go. So currently I'm done with all the customs and everything, and I'm just now waiting as I have like 1.5 hour to go to just board home. So I think I have plenty of time. So I don't need to worry about anything. So I'm just gonna chill. I bought some food with me, so I'm gonna eat that. And unfortunately I was editing on train, so my laptop charging is almost zero. But here I don't find any boat in the place where I'm sitting. So I think I need to edit on the plane only. I can't do anything else now. By the way, I did not show you what I bought for my journey with that. So I bought this new book for this trip. It's called The Angelus Game. I haven't read it yet, but the author I know very well. I saw some blogs of this author and it's good. So I've currently read a few pages already, and this is the bookmark that you make, the cat one. So we're gonna try to finish this.
Flight AI20282 Mumbai is ready for boarding at gate B22. Meine Damen und Herren, Ihr Air ist
80% done. So we are in the plane. I got the middle seat. Unlucky. And it's quite full compared to what I thought that it won't be based on past experience, but unfortunately it is so full. The person next to me hasn't come yet. I hope he doesn't. Let's hope 9 hours pass by so nicely. So it is the seat next to me is empty. I got the whole thing. I know that it's not something I should be so happy about. It just gave me a lot of happiness. Because the seats in front of me and behind me are totally packed. Everyone on the side, aisles are packed. The windows are. It's gonna be a good journey.
छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। यहाँ इस समय बाहर का तापमान 25 अंश सेल्सियस है और स्थानीय समय के अनुसार इस समय सुबह के 8:15 हुए हैं। सभी अतिथियों से निवेदन है कि सीट बेल्ट संकेत बंद किए जाने तक कृपया अपने निर्धारित सीट पर ही बैठे रहें और ऊपर बने समान कक्ष न खोलें। समान कक्ष खोलते समय सावधानी बरतें। कृपया अपने सामने
So we are here finally. तुम्ही एका. So we are here finally.
एवढं बॅगा घेऊन आली एवढं हे इकडे सगळे आम्हाला घ्यायला होते.
Obviously they need to carry it all the way through the
आणि
station.
तो-
Let's go.
एकटी
Hello. मम्मी पप्पा कुठे? मम्मी पप्पा कुठे? Oh, as I expected, they are not home. I just had my grandpa at home. So I just met him and I'm gonna hide my luggage and everything. I'm gonna meet them soon. But they're not home and they said they went out to have dinner. So I need to wait at home for them. Hi Manya. Hi. My pet guys.
This is what is this? इतकं सरप्राईज
Yeah, so now that you have seen everything, I meet my parents and everything, after the day I came, I was like kind of jet lagged for 1.5 days. I was almost like sleeping, but as it was a surprise, so my parents had so many plans for me to when I was gonna come, so everything just collapsed. My bad, but it's okay. So I had to visit so many places in the past 2 weeks since I came. So today is like the 7th day since I came, and I've been so packed till now. I haven't gotten enough time. But yeah, here you go, and thank you for watching the vlog. And I will make sure the next few, at least some few vlogs are from my home country, and yeah, you will like to watch it. I'm gonna make sure you meet everyone I know, like my friends, my family members. I have planned to give you a nice tour of my room, and I have like a very special cupboard. Should I say cupboard? I have a very special cabinet in which I have almost everything since my childhood. So I wish I get a time to shoot that video and then let you know a little bit about my childhood and my teenage and my everything before I went to Germany. So yeah, here you go. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we gonna see you in the next vlog, which is an India. I'm gonna see you in the next vlog. So till then, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye.